Today I'm going to be talking about costumes on Amazon. You can see I ordered 4 costumes over the past year. Here's parts from a few of the Spider-Man costumes we ordered. One is, you can see this broke over here. And over here on the hand, which happens quite often for these Spider-Man outfits, the thread comes off. So the bad thing about this is if you order costumes on Amazon, you're lucky if you can find the replacement or at least contact the manufacturer. Usually what happens is, you'll see over here, all of these costumes are no longer available. So if I click on this, sorry, I couldn't find this page. Finally, click on here. Sorry, I couldn't find this page. So there's no way to contact the manufacturer. It was in August, and now it's November, August, September, October. 3 months later, I can't even order or contact the manufacturer about the costume, so that's my issue. So anyways, with this costume, I'm going to go and sew it back together because I have limited sewing capabilities, which I'm going to do soon.